Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening GeForce Experience and confirming drivers are current. This ensures stability and encoder availability. Once done, toggle on in-game overlay in settings so recording tools appear in apps. You should sign into your NVIDIA account if asked so cloud features and preferences sync. Make sure your target application is allowed for overlays. This avoids capture conflicts. Now press Alt+Z to open the overlay and proceed to configure recording options. You now fine-tune how recordings behave. Open the overlay and go to Settings, then Recordings to pick Quality, Resolution, and FPS, because those choices balance file size versus visual fidelity. Choose NVENC as the encoder to offload work from the CPU and keep performance smooth. Next, assign hotkeys for manual record and instant replay so you can capture moments without menu delays. Once configured, test a short clip to confirm bitrate. Audio balance and microphone capture are correct. You begin recording using your hotkey and watch the overlay timer to verify capture. This confirms frames and audio are being saved. For highlights, enable instant replay and set a duration like 30 or 60 seconds so you keep the best moments automatically. When finished, stop recording and locate files in the video's folder or custom path. If capture fails or stutters, update GPU drivers, disable other overlays, and lower recording resolution or bitrate to resolve conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.